welcome to Beauty Busters, where we test out internet beauty and products to see if they're whoop up or a maybe baby, meaning it may work for some people and it may not work for other people. You guys, I'm so excited about today's product because in my eyes, this could be revolutionary. So today we're testing out a beauty product which is super weird, and it's pretty much the new way of applying a nice snatched wing eyeliner. But wait, before we jump into this video, I just wanted to give you guys a little surprise. It is giveaway time. It is time for me to say thank you guys so much for what you have done to me, and what better way to do that than with a giveaway. I'm gonna be doing a giveaway every single upload this month. That's right, so stay tuned. So I'm giving away a huge basket of all my favorite makeup items, a natalies.shop merch item so that you can look cute and fresh at school or at work, and I'm giving away a brand new MacBook Air. That is right, this could be yours. So to enter, you must be following me on all my social media sites, so make sure you click that big red subscribe button down below. You guys, we are almost 8 million outies. Like, what the heck? I can't even, I wanna like squeeze everyone. I just wanna be in the middle of that 8 million hug. Also be sure to click that bell icon so that you never miss an upload. Also make sure you're following me on all my other social media sites, which is just Instagram and Twitter, and they're both just Natalie's Outlet. Give this video a huge thumbs up to show your love and support, and lastly, be sure to leave a comment down below. For all the official rules and regulations, make sure you check out the description down below. All right, so let's get started. So I first came across this incredible adhesive eyeliner. This is actually by Augustine Fernandez, which is an amazing, fabulous makeup artist. This is him, look how fabulous, just like too fabulous. So I came across this eyeliner adhesive first and foremost. I was checking out Camila Coelho on Instagram. She was doing her makeup look, and her makeup eyeliner is always on fleek. Then I saw that she just took out these little strips, and I was like, what? So today we're putting these to the test. First and foremost, are they worth it? Are they worth the cost? So this is what it looks like. You can actually only get this online. They retail for $34.10, which honestly, I don't think it's that bad, especially if it works. The adhesive eyeliner has been designed respecting the eye's anatomy, providing comfort, sensuality, and a great grip and durability. They are beautiful, modern, and very practical. Kind of what I want to see. How good do they look? How practical are they? And of course, are they worth it? I love that this is a Brazilian product. Obrigado. Hola. I ended up getting 2 of these. I got the glitter ones, which, oh, they are so beautiful. It's like very light specks of glitter. And I got the nice thinner ones. These are basic ones. So as you can see, these are much thinner than these. It just depends on what you're in the mood for. Loving this really sleek little eyeliner. And these are just like,
bam, baby, I'm here.
What I did really like about this online is that he has a variety of like different colors. He has like really bold ones that have color already on them, plus the eyeliner, really nice and thin ones. I think there's something in here for everyone and just like your taste. This would be more me every day, but like I'm really feeling this, you know what I mean? Another good thing is this only took 2 days to arrive. So if you need it for a party this weekend, they got you. I don't know if that's supposed to happen, right? As you can see right here, there's a little bit of tackiness right here, but all of them are stuck on the paper. Doesn't seem like it's supposed to happen. I'm gonna see if the same thing happens with this one because that would suck.
Like all of them just went to waste.
I'm looking at the instructions and it says to apply to clean dry skin before makeup. So I'm already doing it wrong. Oh, no, you didn't. Are you kidding me right now? Okay, this better still work. We're gonna give it the benefit of the doubt. All right, so he says, you have just received a product that is not just another one in your necessaire. My collection represents achievement, and overcoming each product is proof that dreams can become true. Thank you so much for believing me and being able to be a part of my dreams. With love, Augustine. The instructions are very brief. Like, that's all you're supposed to do. Close one eye and apply the adhesive on the eyelid near the eyelash, pressing gently to ensure good fixation. In case necessary, use tweezers, blah, blah, blah. Okay, but I'm upset about this.
Seriously.
So I just got my little tweezers. I'm also really curious if this is okay wearing it with eyelashes. I did see Camila Coelho and she just kind of used it on top of her eye makeup. So this is what it looks like. And I'm guessing there's something to peel off here. I'm seeing a little thing here, but it doesn't say to remove this. That's why I'm kind of like, what is going on here? Okay, yes. I got it. Okay, good. All right, guys, so I finally figured it out. Obviously, there is a little strip to this. I'm really frustrated with this whole situation because I want to be able to go back in here and have all of my eyeliners be nice. This is what it looks like. As you can see, there's that white little paper right there that we're gonna tear off, and then that will be our eyeliner. I'm just gonna kind of mess with this as if I'm gonna be applying it on. I also feel like it might be a little short for my eye.
I got pretty big eyes.
All right, I'm gonna go in, man. This little edge right here is where it should finish off and the wing should start. See, I've heard a lot about different eyeliners like this, but I just feel like a lot of them are very gimmicky. Oh, see, this is very nice. Like, it's very light. Okay. Ooh. It does definitely work with makeup as well. Oh my god, this is nice. As you can see, it's a little short for my eye. So this is what it looks like. I've literally been eyeing my eye. It is really perfect. It is very comfortable on the eyes, even though right now I'm very conscious that there's something on my eye, like a little sticker. I feel like throughout the day, I'll just kind of go about my day and forget. Like, it's very comfortable. I did notice on Instagram, a lot of people did have to fill in a little bit of the inner corner. If you see anything that's lifted, it's not the eyeliner, but my eyelash, because I'm a terrible eyelash putter on her. Put on eyelashes really terribly. So I'm just gonna go in and fill it in. I do wish it was a little bit longer so I didn't have to fill this in, but I feel like there's a reasoning behind that. Probably because it pokes on some people. I love this though. It looks very, very pretty, very natural, very much like I usually do my eyeliner. But I gotta say, I am very excited to try these. I feel like these are gonna be my jam. I still really love the little flexes of glitter. Very, very pretty. I'm gonna finish off the other eye and then I will show you guys. Go in, do the same thing, remove this little strand, which comes off very easily. Like, overall, it's very user-friendly. It's also very sticky, so I feel like this is gonna last a long time. This one looks a little jacked up, honestly. But I think it's my lashes. First of all, I love products like this. Not only are they innovative, but they're just kind of changing the game. I'm someone that I'm very low maintenance, and anything that I can do to hackify my makeup routine,
I'm all about it.
ah, that hurt. Okay, so this one removed my eyelashes. Love that. That's probably what the problem was. My eyelashes were not well put on. So I'm just gonna remove my lashes. There we go. There we go. I wanted to see how easy it is to apply the lashes right on top of this. If that's even a better idea, or if you just kind of can't wear lashes. I mean, it seems like he does wear lashes with this, so definitely doable. Oh yeah, totally easier. Okay, so I'm done applying my lashes. As you can see, this one actually looks a lot better. It even looks more lifted than this one. If you are gonna put on lashes, highly recommend you to do it after you've applied the eyeliner, just because as you can see on this one, my lashes are kind of slumping down because the adhesive is kind of weighing them down, whereas this one, they're so much more lifted. That is the final look. I can't stop staring at myself because this is so nice. The fact that I was able to do this in instant, really nice. Definitely there's a huge learning curve, I feel, but I would also be curious to see how this works on women like my mom, who typically don't put on a lot of makeup, but my mom loves the look of eyeliner, how she would feel about this and if it's easy for her to use. Look at that, like super simple, didn't take much. I do feel because of the learning curve, it definitely took me the same amount of time as it would applying on an eyeliner, but this is just that much more precise, which I'm really loving. While I really did love this style, I feel like I definitely would want to go for something even more dramatic. So this is what we're gonna try out next. I also want to see how easy it is to remove. Yeah, there's no way these are coming off, which is really nice. Like, if you really want it to come off, you kind of have to tug at your skin. Owie. There we go, not bad. My lash fell off. Okay, I don't think these are reusable, unfortunately. My whole lash fell off. Ooh, that'd be good if they made some like this, where it was already attached on. Can you imagine eyeliner and lash? Girl, these are thick. Here we go again. But by the way, you guys know that every single Beauty Busters, I like for you guys to also try the items out with me. So if you would like to try this one out, leave me your Instagram down below and I'll be picking one of you. Honestly, when it comes down to this, I just kind of guess where I'm gonna place it and it kind of just works out. Oh my goodness. Wow. My goodness gracious. Per usual, gonna have to fill this in right in the inner corner. I highly recommend this style because this is like a real eyeliner. Look at that little glitter. See, I personally can't get a wing liner like this. I think it's a whoop. Oh, whoop, baby. What I also like is that there's not another step to this. You don't have to add glue or anything like that. I recommend right where that little edge is, right here, grabbing it like this and then pressing that part down first so that you know where to place it. I also recommend a really good mirror because this is quite hard to see. The good thing is it's pretty forgiving. So if you mess up, you can just take it up and kind of mess with it again. Is it just me or does it look a little funky? This one looks straight, this one doesn't. Let's try it again.
It's a learning process.
Yeah, I definitely messed up. Okay, ignore what I said about starting at the edge. I would just say wing it. The best thing to do is keep your eye open. When you close it and then you open it, it just goes somewhere different. What I do like about filling it in is you can barely tell. It blends in seamlessly. If you mess up, this thing will not stick after a while. I've probably placed this on my eye 4 times now. It's not working. I'm gonna have to discard of it and use another one. Be open to making mistakes with this because I think there is a huge learning curve. You will probably go through a bunch of these. I would say maybe order 2. I would have just ordered 2 right away. know why on this eye it just doesn't look that good, guys.
What the heck am I doing differently?
Unless I have an eye that's totally bigger than the other one.
This one's way more wing than the other one.
Yeah, what the heck?
Either they're not their same size, or you twisted the edge when you stuck it.
Anyways, we're just gonna deal with it. If you notice, this one starts right here, and this one also starts right here, so that's why I don't get it. This eye is totally jacked up.
I don't know. I'm not into that.
I'm gonna put my eyelashes on, then I'll let you guys know. Okay, am I just tripping, or does this lash now look bigger? What is going on? This is the final look. I'm not mad about it. I think I'm just being too like meticulous and like, it really doesn't look that different. I personally think it looks really nice. Definitely a huge learning curve. Would I use this again? Hell yeah. I love this product. It's just one of those things that it's really easy. It's on the go. I hate personally having to struggle with an eyeliner, but I will say if you do your eye look, just be cautious that learning curve, you may have to remove it. You may have to put it back on. What do you guys think so far? Is it a whoop? Is it, or is it maybe baby? The last thing I want to do is just apply some makeup right on over it, just to kind of see how it sets with makeup, if the powders make it move or anything like that. I'm gonna be using the Adeline Morin and Tarte collection right here. She sent me this and I think it is so beautiful and so proud of her. Look at these beautiful colors. I'm just gonna deepen up the crease a little bit, maybe going with some yellow, maybe going with some orange. Why not? Let's do something. Put some blush up on these cheeks. Ooh, maybe I'll do some yellow in the inner corner. So far it's holding up pretty nicely. Like it's not moving around, or I don't feel it pushing away from my skin, which is good. It's gonna be on there all day, girl, don't worry. I love how boring I am with my eye looks. Dennis is always telling me like, put on some greens, put on some purples, like do something. I have a million different palettes, a million different colors, and I always stick to my orange browns. I'm gonna go with the orange. I'm gonna go in Boss Lady. Oh, hell yeah. This is like me living. I'm like, oh hell yeah, I'm applying orange, wow. Like the eyeliner's holding up, so it's good. It actually almost makes it easier to apply on makeup because you already know half of the eye is already covered. I would definitely go for this style, you guys. If you're gonna buy any, go for this style. Feels more like eyeliner. The other one was a little too slim even for me. Oh my god, I'm loving this, and I'm like,
Why don't I wear more color?
I'm actually gonna smoke out the lower lash line because why not? With the Boss Lady again. I love making weird faces when I apply lower lash line. All right, and then lastly, I'm gonna do the little pop of color. This beautiful yellow girl supporting girl. Now I'm just gonna go one more time back in with my eyeliner, make it black, and then we're done. All right, you guys, what do you think about the finished look? I am loving it. You guys gotta go get this palette. It is so amazing. I have to say, these eyeliners are my jam. I can definitely see myself using this, especially when you just wanna do like a really nice Instagram picture. Even do like literally nothing on the eyes, lashes, and then just a beautiful, bold eyeliner. Highly recommend you guys to get this one. This is this look, really love it. Go check out Augustin Fernandez, so awesome. Absolutely love this product. I gotta say this is a whoop. Again, if you guys want it, just leave me your Instagram down below. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you give it a huge thumbs up. Let me know down below what other beauty products you want to see. Send me a little DM or a tweet on Twitter or Instagram. They're both just Natalie's Outlet. As always, don't forget to subscribe and become a part of the family. I love you guys so much, and don't forget to live weird or die normal. Bye. In case you missed it, Audi Squad memberships are now live. Oh my gosh, I invite you to join our exclusive squad by hitting the join button down below. If you don't see it, you can also check it out in the description down below. It's pretty much a secret club where you're going to be unlocking so many secrets to my life, sisterhood with Rosalina, very personal Q&As, live streams monthly, pictures that you've never before seen, videos that you've never before seen, and pretty much just sneak peeks into the next chapter of Rosalina's life, my life, some merch discounts, and content made specially just for you. If you guys are interested, all you gotta do is click that little join button down below or the link in the description. Love you guys.